After having used the Osmo Pocket for a while and having seen tons of reviews, I thought it would be a good idea to gather all the useful information I found and put it together in a little video, and I hope this will help you in your learning curve with this great little camera. If you appreciate the content, please leave a like because it really helps the channel. And you would absolutely make me feel awesome if you
subscribe. Do it.
Now that that's off the table, let's go straight into 10 tips and tricks for the Osmo Pocket. Tip number 1. A lot of people seem to be complaining about the cropped image on the Osmo Pocket's screen. You can switch the display mode to the full field of view by going into Settings, find the picture icon and click on it. Obviously it's still small, but you see what's in frame. Tip number 2. After every firmware update, do not forget to calibrate the gimbal. If you don't, you might get slanted footage like the one you see here. You can also recalibrate from time to time just to be safe. It doesn't take that long. Just make sure you do this on a really level surface. Tip number 3. The Osmo Pocket has 2 physical USB connections, but only one logical port. You can use either port for data, but if you want to use the bottom port to connect to your computer or phone, you need to put the phone connector into the storage position. By the way, charging only works on the bottom port when the device is off. Tip number 4. If your Osmo Pocket battery gets too low and you want to continue shooting, connect it to your phone and it will get power from it, greatly extending the remaining battery life. Tip number 5. Speaking about power draw, make sure your phone is well charged when using your Osmo Pocket connected to your phone. Otherwise, the phone will drain the Osmo Pocket's battery. That's not a defect, it's simply how USB-C works. Tip number 6. When you power off your Osmo Pocket, it will hold the gimbal in place for easy storage for 8 seconds. So get the case ready before powering down for simple storage. Tip number 7. When shooting motion laps, you can configure 2 waypoints when using the Osmo Pocket alone, but up to 4 waypoints when connecting it to your phone. Tip number 8. When using the panorama photo mode, connect your Osmo Pocket to your phone. The produced picture will then automatically be saved on your phone, allowing immediate sharing on social media. Tip number 9. If you're watching this video and haven't bought the Osmo Pocket yet, go ahead and buy it, it's awesome and really a no-brainer. Tip number 10. When you're using your Osmo Pocket connected to your phone, don't forget to put the phone in Do Not Disturb mode, and thank me later. This is not a tip but just bonus information. As of releasing this video with firmware version 1.4 on the Osmo Pocket, external audio does not work yet. Really not, even if some videos say differently. DJI have yet to release a new firmware and the external audio connector to enable this feature. That's it for this little video. Stir Fry German is out. Thanks for watching and don't forget to
subscribe.